Why is Rust taking the programming world by storm? Today, we're breaking down why Rust is simply better than C++. Let's dive in. First up, memory safety. Rust's ownership system eliminates null pointers, data races, and use after free errors at compile time. No garbage collection needed. In C++, 70% of security vulnerabilities are memory safety issues. In Rust, it is 0. Number 2, fearless concurrency. Rust's compiler literally won't let you write code with data races. C++ only catches these at runtime if you're lucky. In Rust, you can write parallel code without the nightmares. Third, modern tooling. Cargo handles building, testing, and package management in one tool. No more wrestling with CMake and cobbling together different systems. One command and you're done. 4, explicit error handling. Rust's result types make errors visible right in the function's signature. No hidden exceptions, no mysterious crashes. The compiler forces you to handle every error case. Fifth, true zero-cost abstractions. Rust's high-level features compile down to the same fast machine code as handwritten, low-level code, performance without compromise. Number 6, a powerful type system. Algebraic data types, exhaustive pattern matching, and no null pointers. Express complex ideas clearly while the compiler ensures correctness. 7, first-class documentation. Generate beautiful docs automatically, test your examples as part of the build, and every package gets free hosted documentation. It actually works. 8, an incredible community. Rust has been voted the most loved programming language 8 years running. Open governance, inclusive culture, and rapid evolution while maintaining backwards compatibility. 9th, massive industry adoption. Microsoft is rewriting Windows components in Rust. It's now in the Linux kernel. Amazon Web Services, Google, Meta, they're all betting on Rust for their most critical infrastructure. The verdict, Rust delivers memory safety without runtime costs, fearless concurrency, modern tooling that just works, and performance that matches or exceeds C++. C++ gave us power. Rust gives us power and safety. The future is Rust. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more programming content. Drop a comment with your thoughts on Rust versus C++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.